Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Parsing indentation in Python style code is a fundamental step in building a Python interpreter or implementing other programming language tools. Python uses indentation to define code blocks, such as loops and functions, instead of using curly braces or keywords like begin and end as in some other programming languages. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to parse indentation in Python-style code with code examples. Prerequisites. Parsing indentation. Indentation in Python is used to indicate the scope and hierarchy of code blocks. A new block begins when the indentation level increases, and a block ends when the indentation level decreases. Here's a basic example to illustrate this concept. In this code, the outermost block is not indented, the function block is indented by one level, and the loop block is further indented. Parsing algorithm. To parse indentation in Python-style code, you can follow these steps. Let's implement this parsing algorithm in Python. Code example. Output. This code parses Python-style code and separates it into code blocks based on indentation. You can extend this code to perform more complex parsing tasks or integrate it into a larger project, such as a Python interpreter or a code analysis tool. ChatGPT.